Combo in the English language. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into a commonly used term in English, combo. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, how to use it, and its significance in various contexts. Combo is short for combination. It generally refers to a mixture or assortment of things that are put together or associated with one another. Think of it as a package deal where different elements are paired up to offer something new or beneficial. Often in everyday scenarios, you'll hear the term used in relation to food, entertainment, or even fashion. Here are a few examples. 1. Food. I'd like the burger and fries combo. This means the person wants both the burger and fries, which are offered together at a special price or as a set meal. 2. Entertainment. The game console comes with a combo of 5 games. This indicates that when you purchase the game console, you get 5 games included. 3. Fashion. She wore a combo of a leather jacket and skinny jeans. Here, it describes a combination of clothing items that someone is wearing together. While combo is often used informally, it's essential to know how to spell and pronounce it correctly. Spelling: C-O-M-B-O. Pronunciation: just like it's spelled, with emphasis on the com and followed by bo. While combo is versatile, it's not always suitable for every context. For instance, 1. When referring to an emotional or abstract combination, the combination of fear and excitement was evident on her face. Here, using combo might sound too casual. 2. In very formal writing or speaking situations, it's better to use combination to maintain the seriousness or formality of the context. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the term combo in the English language. Whether you're ordering a meal or describing a set of items, now you can confidently use combo in your conversations. We hope this video has been enlightening and look forward to seeing you in the next one. Happy learning!